Hey everybody, Scott DiGregorio, your mortgage guy, talking to you about closing costs on a refinance. I get this asked a lot. Hey Scott, how much are my closing costs on a refinance versus when I bought the house? About the same. Closing costs don't change a whole heck of a lot depending on the purpose of the loan. Where a lot of people get tricky in my business is they talk about the difference between out-of-pocket closing costs and total closing costs. Generally speaking, you're always going to pay for an appraisal up front. $450, $500-ish. On a refinance, the rest of those costs are rolled into the loan. Let's say you owe $200,000 on your current house. You want to roll in your closing costs. Maybe your new loan amount is for $204 or $208 or whatever the figure is. We have to make sure that we understand the pros and the cons of that. Also understand when you're financing in those closing costs, you're paying interest on those for many, many years, and that also has to be factored into the equation. What about the advertisements that you see where, hey, no closing costs? Listen, we could all do no closing cost loans, but here's the deal, your interest rate's higher. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. There's no such thing as a no closing cost loan unless the interest rate's slightly higher. You got to understand, most closing costs don't go to the bank. They go to things like title insurance, which is required, county fees, which is required, recording fees, which is required, often setting up escrows, which is required. These are required expenses. The money has to come from somewhere. So don't be tricked into that BS advertising. That's what I got for you on closing costs. If you have any questions, you want specific numbers, reach out to me. I'm Scott DiGregorio. I'm your mortgage guy. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.